CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, is a specialized software solution tailored for modern industries. It serves as a comprehensive tool for managing maintenance activities, enhancing efficiency, and optimizing equipment performance. The global CMMS software market, valued at $1.07 billion in 2022, is projected to grow at a CAGR of 10.79% during the forecast period. It is anticipated to reach $1.98 billion by 2028. This clearly shows that industries are understanding the importance of CMMS and implementing it for achieving desired success. Here are some of the common benefits that CMMS offers. Manage work orders. CMMS empowers professionals to handle everything from work order creation to completion tracking, with capabilities for submitting requests, updating statuses, and storing historical data like repair history and manuals. Real-time asset performance data. Integrating asset management, CMMS offers real-time data analysis, covering usage metrics, maintenance history, and compliance, enhancing asset productivity and decision-making. Optimize spare parts and inventory. With features for managing and tracking inventory, CMMS prevents excess purchases, supports programmed ordering, and streamlines repair processes. Anywhere, anytime access. Cloud-based CMMS enables remote access to manufacturing data, allowing field workers and technicians to use mobile devices for instant analysis and quicker response to work orders. The future of CMMS in manufacturing is geared towards unprecedented levels of precision, efficiency, and reliability. By integrating cutting-edge technologies, CMMS evolves into a more predictive, automated, and data-driven tool, leading the way for smarter, sustainable, and customer-focused manufacturing practices.